Nau Mai koutou. Hi, my name is Vanessa.
And more arts at Winton School, I'm Maddie. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for the 1st of May.
Okay, we start the day with te kupu or te wiki, manu,
which is te reo for bird.
Ki roto, te manu, I te far-ree. The bird is in the house.
Ka pai. Okay, into library news. Book club orders are due today. Get them into the office.
And remember that the library is open on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. That's today.
We have 3 students starting today at Winton School.
Riley Scobnie is having his first day in room 1.
And we have Lilly joining us in room 8 and Ruby is in room 3.
Welcome to Winton School, koutou.
School Council, you have a meeting today in the group room at 1 o'clock. Be on time.
Last week, room 13 were at technology making sauces, and
here are their promotional reps.
Caramel deluxe, caramel deluxe. Get in your Hilux, drive to town and you better not frown. Caramel deluxe, caramel deluxe. Get in your Hilux, drive to town and you better not frown. So buy some caramel deluxe. Caramel crunch is great to munch. Breakfast or lunch and even brunch. Tickles your taste buds and makes you smile. Not much sugar that can run a mile. Crystal Crunch in your lunch. It's a new form of cookie. Even though it's cookie, it's scrumptious and yummy. It fills your tummy. You munch, munch, munch on your Crystal Crunch.
Caramel deluxe, you can eat it while you lapse. You can eat it watching TV because it is so tasty. Caramel deluxe, you can eat it while you lapse. So tasty, so tasty, so tasty. Oh, word.
I love caramel. Gimme, gimme.
okay, high-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Okay, a notice about some of the grass areas that are around the school that are getting a bit boggy.
Please keep as clean and dry as possible at interval and lunchtime. This means thinking carefully about where you play.
And making wise choices in the playground. Kia ora.
Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.
From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a te wiki.
Hi at Winton School.